Hi everyone, it's good to meet you once again. You are welcome. Alright, we have been talking about living and non-living things, and today we are going to talk about characteristics of animals, but we are going to limit it on movement, feeding and reproduction. Now, we are starting with insects. Movements of insects are walk, fly, and swim. And we know that most insects fly. Okay. Here are some examples. We have army ants that walk, except the queen and the drone. They are the only ones that can fly, okay, because they have wings. But the rest can. The rest walk. Alright. Now, butterfly, and we know that butterfly, they do what? They fly. Okay. Now, water boatman. This type of insect swim, and it's a special insect. The way it is, it can dive in the water and also float or swim on the surface of the water. And the way it does, it swims, it looks like somebody paddling a boat. That's how come this name came, boatman. Okay? Alright, now let's look at how insects feed or how they eat. Some insects eat plants, plant leaves, roots, nectar, and all that. And examples, we have bee that take the nectar, and we have grasshopper that eat leaves, and all that, and etc. Then we have some that feed on animals by sucking the blood. Okay, they suck animal blood. An example, we have mosquito that is always disturbing us around our homes or any other area that we find ourselves. And then we have bed bug, and we have tick, which is mostly found on the skin of dogs. Okay, now we have some insects that feed on other insects, and the example is spider, ants, and so on. And we have some that also feed on plants, both. Okay, they feed on both plants and other insects, and even smaller animals. An example is termites, and so on. When we come to reproduction, most insects lay eggs, okay, except a special insect called green fly that does not lay eggs. This particular species of insect is found in a greenhouse or in greenhouses. Okay, you see them on crops or leaves of crops. Okay, if we say a greenhouse, it's an enclosed farm, okay, which is sheltered with a glass house, okay, or a glass structure. That's how we call it a greenhouse. So in summary, insects, the movements of insects are walk, fly, and swim. Most insects fly. Examples, we have army ants that walk, we have butterfly that fly, and we have water boatman that swim. And then, for feeding, some insects eat plant leaves, roots, nectar. Example, we have bee, grasshopper, etc. And then, some insects feed on animals by sucking their blood. And such insects are mosquito, bedbug, tick, etc. And then we have some insects that feed on other insects. Example, we have spider, ants, etc. And then some also feed on both plants and other insects and even smaller animals. And we have example, which is termites. Okay. And then in reproduction, we have most laying eggs except green fly. Okay, the previous work that I gave you, you have been doing marvelously well, and and it's a thumbs up for you. Okay, below, oh, that I want you to do for me. So you do it nicely, and then you take a picture of it and send to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so until we meet again in our next lesson, have a great day. Bye bye.